Every day, your garage door springs work hard to lift and lower your door smoothly, but they don't last forever. In the Albion Park Rail area, one of the most common issues homeowners face is broken garage door springs. These springs have a limited lifespan, and after thousands of cycles, they wear out and can break, leaving your garage door stuck and your routine disrupted. Don't let a broken spring throw off your day. If you're struggling with a heavy or unmovable garage door, it's time to call in the experts. Contact us at 0409-774-111 to get your garage door repaired by qualified professionals. Act now and ensure your garage door operates smoothly and safely without any hassle.